Effortless Cooking, your 8-pound spiral ham.
Hello and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today we're going to tackle a common question. How long do I need to cook an 8-pound spiral ham in the oven? It's a perfect main dish for your holiday dinners or a weekend family feast. So, let's dive right in.
Preheating the oven.
The first step in cooking your 8-pound spiral ham is preheating your oven. You need to preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. This relatively low temperature is important because it ensures your ham cooks evenly without drying out.
Preparation of the ham.
While your oven is preheating, you can prepare the ham. The 8-pound spiral ham usually comes pre-cooked, so all you have to do is enhance its flavors. Place your ham in a roasting pan, cut side down. You can also add a cup of water to the pan to prevent the ham from drying out during the heating process. If you'd like to add a glaze, you can do so, but it's generally added near the end of the cooking time to prevent it from burning.
Cooking the ham.
Now that your oven is preheated and your ham is prepared, it's time to start cooking. You will need to cook your ham for about 15 minutes per pound. Therefore, for an 8 pounds ham, you'll be cooking it for approximately 2 hours. But don't forget the glaze if you're using it. About 20 minutes before the end of cooking time, remove the ham from the oven, apply your glaze, and return it to the oven for the remaining time.
Checking the temperature.
After the cooking time is up, you should check the internal temperature of the ham using a meat thermometer. The safe internal temperature for reheating pre-cooked ham is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Remember, it's important to check the temperature at the thickest part of the ham and away from the bone to get an accurate reading. And there you have it. Following these steps, you'll have a perfectly heated 8-pound spiral ham, juicy and ready to serve. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Enjoy your meal and stay tuned for more cooking guides.